Hey guys, so this next lesson should be very easy. If you see right here, it is converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So all you need to know for this one is remember that the C is the biggest side. Okay, that C is the biggest side. So what you need to do with this is basically they want to know if these three numbers form a right triangle. So what you do is you do a square plus b square equals c square. So first, the biggest number here is 25, so that's your c. That means this is a and b. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to replace here. So 14 square plus 23 square, does it equal 25 square? Well then, what you do is you go to the calculator. So you will go to 14 square, enter, that is 196 plus 23 square, enter, 529, does it equal 25 square? Alright, so 625. So then you have to add these two numbers, 196 plus 529, 725. So 725, does it equal 625? No, it does not. So this is not a right triangle. Okay? So hopefully you understand. This one's very easy. Okay, so here the biggest number, we have 16, 30, and 34. So 34 is your biggest number. Again, A and B, it doesn't matter which one is A, it doesn't matter which one is B. So we're going to do all this again. So A square plus B square. A square plus B square equals C square. Alright, so A we have 16 square. For B we have 30 square. And for C we have 34 square. 16 square. Now you can also do 16 square plus, and just go ahead and put it here, plus 30 square equals 11. So these two equals 1156. And then you do the other side, 34 square, 1156. So does this equal a right triangle? 1156, does it equal 1156? Yes, it does. So this one is a right triangle. All right, question number 3. Again, your biggest number is going to be C. And your other two are A and B. So A square plus B square, does it equal C square? All right, so for A, 27 square plus 36 square, does it equal 45 square? All right, so we're going to check. Let me go ahead and move this. So 27 square plus 36 square is 25, so 2025. Does it equal 45 square? So we're going to do 45 square on the other side. And yes, they are equal. Ooh, 2025. So yes, this is a right triangle. Okay. Question number 4. So again, question number 4, 11, 18, and 21. Your biggest number is going to be C, and the other ones are A and B. Now, I do want to tell you it's not always in order like that, so you have to be very careful. All right, let me see if I can erase here. I don't know if I can erase here or do this. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do this one. So a squared plus b squared, does it equal c squared? So for a we have 11 squared plus 18 squared, does it equal 21 squared? Alright, so we're going to do 11 squared plus 18 squared is 445. Oops, 445. Does it equal 21 squared? 441. So are they equal? No, they are not. So this one is not a right triangle. Alright, so for question number 5 and number 6, it is just word problems. You will still see 3 numbers. The biggest one will be your C and the other ones will be your A and your B. Alright, so question number 5, a blueprint for a new triangular playground shows that the sides measure 480 feet, 140 feet, and 500 feet. Is the playground in the shape of a right triangle? So again, we have 3 numbers, 480, 140, and 500. My biggest one is 500, so that's your C. The other ones are A and B. So we do the same thing, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Ooh, guys, I don't know what's happening with this. It's the program. Let me see if I can do this again. So a squared, oh my goodness, plus b squared equals c squared. All right, so for A we have 480 squared plus 140 squared. Does it equal 500 squared? All right, so 480 squared plus 140 squared is, ooh, that's a big number, 250,000. So these two right here is 250. If I can write the zeros. All right, and now we're going to see if the other side is equal. So 500 square. And yes, they are equal. So this one, yes, it is a, I don't know what's wrong with this. So yes, it is a right triangle. All right, so guys, for the last one, go ahead and try it yourself. It does say, let me see, so I kind of erased part of it. So the last one is, it does say a triangular piece of glass has sides that measure 18, 19, and 25 inches. Is the piece of glass in the shape of a right triangle? You have 18, 19, and 25. So go ahead and try that one by yourself. Guys, if you have any questions on this lesson, please let me know. And I do apologize for this program. I have been trying different programs to make sure that, the handwriting looks better. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.